Hello everybody and welcome back to another unboxing video. My name is Mark and today we are going to be going over a 10-gallon Gemini II Peabody tank. Let's get to it. Burt Process offers a full range of Peabody plastic tanks for use above ground and below, with holding capacities between 2 and 15,000 gallons, closed or open top tanks, vertical or horizontal tank configurations. We have the corrosion-resistant tank to fit your needs. The Peabody Gemini tank is a molded corrosion-resistant double containment tank system that securely stores a wide range of chemicals. The square tank is designed with pump mounting surface fittings and an 8-inch vent and twist lid. The tank is NSF ANSI CAN61 certified when constructed with primary materials of linear polyethylene. This contains the same features as a Gemini Dual Containment tank, but has large capacity per footprint. The tank has a 22% larger capacity than cylindrical tanks of a similar size. Applications for this tank include basic fluid storage or in other applications where stagnant fluid is needed to be stored or moved. And there you have it, everybody. Thank you very much for watching this video. We hope you found it informative. Be sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for our unboxing series. And for more information, be sure to visit our website at burtprocess.com. And I'll see you on the next unboxing video.